We had an immediate need for a baby gate. We're watching our grandson quite a lot, so we need to keep this up all the time, and it needs to be strong enough for that little guy to not get through it. This will also do very well with dogs, I'm convinced, because it's solid, very solid. And what I really like is that it looks like this opening in the entire gate system is designed to be used all the time, which it will be. It works with just about any opening. I've got a good sized opening, so I've got these spacers that I'll put on either side and that'll facilitate the pressure mounting, which I really love about this. I've got a 36-inch opening here, so I'm just using two of the extenders, the double extender and the single extender here. Note how the single extender is on the same side as the latch. I've gathered from the instructions that you're supposed to do that, and it kind of makes sense because it looks like we'll have a more solid connection right here. So I'm a little mechanically challenged. What else is new? Given that, this thing is still pretty straightforward and easy to put in, and I feel like it's going to be solid. These pieces right here, know that you just simply place them inside. They don't screw in to the frame of the extender. Now, the manufacturer says that no drill is required. However, they do provide you with a catch piece that you could screw into a wall. You might have a reason to do that if you're going to use this for bigger dogs or something like that, and it's outside, and it's not going to make much difference aesthetically to screw it into a 2x4, 4x4, whatever that might be. You have that option, which is pretty nice. They also have some screws and anchor bolts that they've included, so I think that's a nice option. When screwing these in, make sure that this piece is as close to the gate as you can. This doesn't want to be over here. It wants to be close to the gate. Again, not made real clear to people like me in the instructions. And then you just simply screw this until you feel the tension. And then they give you a little device here. It's cute. There is a place that you can adjust this, place it there, and then they recommend 4 times like that. Okay, I've got a tight installation. Now I can remove this safety device. This was just there to ensure that the latch would line up properly. So I'm going to take it out and let's see if everything works. Look at that. Nice. You know what I like about this too is you can leave at 90 degrees. This will stay open this way, or it'll stay open this way. We've got a pretty good size, pretty strong 1-year-old grandson. I don't think he's going to be getting through here, and I think any dog or anything big is going to have a hard time getting through here. I'd recommend it.